Today I'm going to teach you how to create a desktop shortcut for Microsoft Teams on Windows 11 or Windows 10. This is incredibly useful if you frequently use Teams for work or personal communication and want quick access without having to search for the app every time you need it. Let's start by opening the Run dialog box. Press the Windows key on your keyboard, which will bring up the search menu. In the search bar, type Run, and you'll see the Run app appear in the results. Click on it to open the Run dialog box. This is a powerful tool in Windows that lets you quickly access various system folders and features. Once the Run dialog box opens, you'll see a text field where you can type commands. Here's where we'll navigate to the Apps folder. Type shell:"apps folder" into the field. This command takes you directly to a hidden folder that contains all the installed applications on your system. After typing it in, click OK or press Enter on your keyboard. A new window will now open, displaying all the applications installed on your computer. This might take a moment to load if you have many apps installed, so just give it a few seconds. You'll see a long list of programs and apps arranged alphabetically, making it easier to locate what you need. Now, scroll through this list until you find Microsoft Teams. Depending on your version, it might appear as Microsoft Teams or Teams. Once you've located it, right-click on the Microsoft Teams icon. This will bring up a context menu with several options for managing the app. In this context menu, look for the option that says Create Shortcut and click on it. Windows will now attempt to create a shortcut for Microsoft Teams, but since you're in a protected system folder, a message will appear asking if you'd like to place the shortcut on your desktop instead. This is exactly what we want. Click Yes on this message. Windows will immediately create a shortcut icon for Microsoft Teams directly on your desktop. You might need to minimize or close the Apps folder window to see your desktop and verify that the shortcut has been created successfully. And that's it. You've successfully created a desktop shortcut for Microsoft Teams. Now, you can simply double-click this icon whenever you need to launch Teams, saving you time and making your workflow more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.